Well, viewers, my very beloved students, 10th standard, today 17th October 2020, almost Unit 1, I have covered within these few days, Our Hero, Prose and Grandmother Climbs a Tree. That one your poem, Grandma Climbs a Tree by Ruskin Bond. So both the things continuously with the video lesson, you have got the attachment, different questions, different tasks, everything collected from your 10th standard textbook. So this is very important. Get ready with your textbook and ready with your notebook and your other stationeries. Pencil should be in your hand whenever you are reading any point or anything else. Reading is very essential to learn proper English. Writing is almost very important to make your writing perfect in your any forward examination. I want to see that full class 10th, you will score good marks. Come to the school premise Monday to Saturday. Meet your headmaster, meet the faculties, clear your doubts, and obviously I want my homework activities, tasks all time to time. Almost few of the students you are coming, you are very brave, courageous, take full protection from this pandemic coronavirus. Make yourself fit and fine. Take care of your health properly. But education is important and English learning is most important to you all. We can't neglect any time because time is going on. So dear students, I hope that you all have collected your textbook in English. Otherwise, please come meet Headmaster Sir and he is ready to help you in different aspects. Tell your parents to come and see. And sit with your parents. Online teaching, but it is more than classroom teaching going on. Only social distancing we are maintaining till dated. That's all. Students, you have already read textbook Unit 1 Prose. That's one. Our Hero by R.K. Narayan. I already briefed about the story. I already briefed about the author from your textbook. Today, recapitulation I will do. Already all the attachment paper time to time with my video lesson I have already sent to you. So dear students, open your attachment part, open your textbook, you will get everything. Because I have supplied you the answers also. So that you should not be in trouble or doubt or any confusion. Page 9. Open. Page 9. This one, your from Our Hero, Unit 1 Prose, 10th Standard, page number 9. Check your understanding. You have already understood the lesson, Our Hero, the story, the concept ready. So please, to understand it, page 9, question 1. Who cried? Though we are not in classroom, we are far away, but get ready with your textbook and attachment paper, answers all I have given you. Immediately, within 1 second, I want answers from your corner. 10th standard group, get ready. Who cried? Ayo! Something has bitten me. Answer, Swami. Number 2. Who did father, cook and a servant stumble upon? They all stumbled upon a burglar, that is a housebreaker. Number 3. Why were congratulations showered on Swami? Congratulations showered on Swami because he helped the police Number 4. Do you think Swami really wanted to join the police? If not, what did he want to be? No. Swami did not want to join the police. Swami wanted to become a good Indian citizen, a very simple human being. Answer 5. Question is, did Swami muster up courage to sleep alone after the burglar incident? No, Swami did not show any courage to sleep alone after the burglar incident. Number 6. Who supported Swami, his mother or his granny? Mother and granny, both of them supported Swami. Dear students, 10th standard, get ready, open your textbook, page 10. That one, page 10, here it has been given already. Page 10, think about the text. Video part 1 is going on. So, think about the text, page 10. Get ready, 10th standard students, full group. How was Swami honored by his classmates, teacher and the headmaster? Congratulations were showered on Swami next day. His classmates looked at him with respect and his teacher patted him back, that is affectionately. The headmaster said that he was a true scout. Come to the point, our hero. Here, page 7, share your responses. Open your textbook, page 7, 10th standard group. Share your responses. Question number, you see, there was absolute silence. Related to this, page 7, question 2. As silence deepened in the room, what was Swami reminded of? Page 7, question 2. Answer. As silence deepened in the room, Swami remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life. Page 7, question 4. Swami touched dash in the room instead of granny. So what is the answer? Swami touched the wooden leg of the bench. That is the answer. Question 5, page 7. Swami saw that time a moving creature in the room. It was dash. It was a man. All attachment, task, activities, question answers, MCQs, you have got it. Keep on reading. Make yourself fresh and homework activities, make it ready. That's all. Keep on reading the whole textbook. Unit 1, Prose, our hero. Shortly I am coming back. Continued lesson part 2. God bless you.